gentlemen, thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to be pulling the quarter glass on this 2018 CRV using our WRD Spider4 with the door glass, or sorry, with the quarter glass mod for the door latch here. Let's get started. First and foremost, we have taped off all of our chrome so we don't scratch that, and we've added our molding protectors so we can drop our line in there easily. Going to take our WRD push knife. I'm going to add a little bit of soapy water here, and we are going to spray a little bit of soapy water back in here so we can get this cut done. And the only thing we're using this for is to get this thing started. So we're going to push through this pin right here at the top, like so, and then we're going to just cut the top corner of the urethane here so we get a nice clean start to our cut. Make sure we're through all that, and then pull that loose using our iron hide weighted repair pad, doing double duty as a seat protector while I cut these out. Going to take our Spider4, draw out a little bit of line here, take our WRD anchor, and we're going to anchor this guy right back here, like so. Don't want to take that off, we just want to loosen it up. Then going to take our loop here, pull it up through here, and then over to our anchor, and lock this in place like so. Pull this down nice and tight, and we're going to do a lap. We are going over the top first, and then we will do our 2 laps here around our glass. Pull that in nice and tight. Got snapped in as best we can. And do one more. Like so. Again, snap that down inside. Grab our drill and our spider. Make sure we're going the right direction, and then we're going to just lock that onto our door latch like so, and start our cut. Once that pulls in all nice and tight, you can go ahead and remove all of these guys here, like so. Throw those in the pocket and finish our cut. Pull through that pin, check inside, everything looks good. And just slowly pull your way through. Checking inside, we got plenty of distance between our trim on these Hondas, so we don't have too much to worry about there. And coming through nicely. Put your hand on the glass. And then we are free, just like that. Cut through nice and clean, no damage to the vehicle. This is from them sanding, not from me. No damage to the interior trim. Get that guy out of there. like I said, another clean removal. No damage to the vehicle, no damage to the interior trim. WRD anchor and Spider4 with the door glass mod. Also, no damage to our glass. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.